The heaven declare the glory of God. The skies proclaim the work of his hands. Day after day, they pour forth speech. Night after night, they display knowledge. There is no speech or language where their voice is not heard. Nature is God's first missionary. Where there is no Bible, there are sparkling stars. Where there are no preachers, there are spring times. Where there is no testament of scripture, there is the testament of changing seasons and breath-stealing sunsets. If a person has nothing but nature, then nature is enough to reveal something about God. As Paul says, the basic reality of God is plain enough. Open your eyes and there it is, by taking a long and thoughtful look at what God has created. People has always been able to see what their eyes can see. Eternal power, for instance, and the mystery of his divine being.